Hi everyone, Bridget here again. Today I thought I'll just show you how to make a very simple shortcut pepper water because everybody are interested in learning how to make a pepper water. So these are the ingredients that we would need. So it would be first 2 tomatoes that are chopped, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Actually I've used just half, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of salt. So these are the basic ingredients, along with tamarind water, which I have made from a tiny ball of tamarind and diluted it in water. Sorry if the video is a bit shaky because I am doing it myself. Now, we also need these ingredients to temper the pepper water. So, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, like 1 teaspoon of smashed garlic, a few curry leaves, 2 red chillies broken into bits, and like a small onion that is chopped finely. So let's get started. What I want to tell you is, initially we would boil all these ingredients together and then temper separately. But I'm showing you a shortcut method wherein you could straight away do the frying of the tempering ingredients. Sorry. And then we'd add all the other pepper water ingredients and give it a good bubble. So basically pepper water is an old Anglo-Indian favorite. As you know, it's just mulligatawny, which is pepper and water. But mulligatawny, which went out with the British and is famous all over the world, is a far cry from a just simple Anglo-Indian pepper water. Now, Anglo-Indian pepper water is on the lines of the Tamil rasam, no doubt, but rasam is very different from our Anglo-Indian pepper water. Ours is unique in its own taste. So if you feel that you want to use rasam powder and try to get an Anglo-Indian pepper water, impossible. And I've in my books, I've got the recipe in all my books for pepper water, and at the end of the book I've also given you some shortcuts and easies where you could make your own pepper water in powder in advance and keep it aside. So these are the basic pepper water recipes that I'm talking about. So let's get started. I will shift the camera so that you're able to see what I'm doing. So we'll begin. By adding about 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Now pepper water doesn't need much of oil, so just 1 tablespoon would do. So we'll heat this up for a little while. And first add in our mustard seeds. Our mustard seeds went all over the plate, so okay, you can see that it's spluttering well. So this is a shortcut method where I'm straight away adding the tempering, and then we're going to add all the other ingredients and give it a good bubble. So the mustard has started spluttering. Now I'll add in all the others: garlic, curry leaf, the red chillies, and the onions. Okay. So keep your heat on low because we don't want to burn the tempering. So we fry this for a little while. You know, pepper water always tastes good with when the garlic is fried well. So basically our pepper water is more of a pepper and cumin taste. So once again, while this is frying, I'll let you know the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander, a pinch of turmeric, and salt. So this is frying well. We don't want to burn it. So now I'll add the chopped tomatoes. So let this fry well for a few seconds till it turns pulpy. This is the most easiest way to make a pepper water. So now I'll add in all these ingredients: the pepper, the chili, the cumin, the coriander, the turmeric, and the salt. Give it a good stir. Okay, again, don't burn the seasoning. And I'm adding in the tamarind water. Now add more water to dilute. Okay, some more water, and now I'm bringing it to boil. Everything is smelling of pepper water. Awesome smell. You can just see what an easy recipe this is. You can see it's bubbling well. Give it a good boil. You can lower the heat if you like. And our pepper water is almost done. And for those who don't want all this sediments in their pepper water, you could always strain it. But these ingredients that are in, very good for digestion. So you could also have a cup or a glass of pepper water as a digestive aid. So it has boiled well, and it's taken in all the flavors. So our pepper water is ready. Let's switch it off. I must tell you, it's smelling really, really awesome. You can add more water if you like, if you need it to be thinner. So here we go. This is our Anglo-Indian pepper water. Do try it, and you'll see that it's really great. Don't use any other stalks of cilantro or anything else, because then it becomes a Tamil rasam. This is our basic pepper water. So thank you for watching, and bye.